Alright, so it's Intamin Dude here on the Gemmy Inflatable Collectors. This is going to be a pretty cool review today. This is going to be the Gemmy 2002 8-foot Tweety bird. So, there's the box on it. I'm sure this is the year. Okay, here is Gemmy 2002. So yeah, fan on this thing, metal base, so I'll be back when this thing's inflated, so yeah. Alright, so here he is inflated. It's a pretty cool design. You see, he's pretty damn top heavy, but luckily the fabric's in perfect condition, so he at least stands up. You can just see like how big the head is on this. Like as soon as this starts to get worn, just a little bit, it's not gonna work. So yeah, he has a pretty cool design, pretty good classic Gemmy design. When he's working, you know, like this one is really cool. So yeah, it's also very rare. I've seen them go for like 400 before on eBay. Luckily, I only paid 130 and 140, I believe, for this one, so really good deal considering its condition. So yeah, it's got a little curling hook here, and the eyes. So yeah, Gemmy 8-foot 2002 Tweety bird.